Hi, I'm Natalie Slipko, and welcome to the Golden Shoes Tap Tutorials. I absolutely love to tap dance. I've performed in many musicals throughout the U.S. I've taught, I've choreographed, but now I want to give back. I want to teach you how to tap dance. So let's shuffle up to Buffalo and have some fun. I'm back. Today you're going to learn a step called Bombershay. It's a lot of fun, so let's get to it. So this can travel to the right. It can also travel to the left. So we're going to do it going to the right. You can actually start this either with a step, or in this case, I'm going to start it with a flap, because why not do it a little bit more challenging? So you're going to start with a flap. And then at the same time, you're going to pivot your foot to the left, like that. So try just doing that at first. You're going to flap with the right and pivot the left foot or the toe of your left foot to the left. So just do that part. And one. Try it again. And one. Try it a third time because it's a charm. And one. So now with that foot like that, now you're going to bring it in brush step. That's it. Flap, brush step. So you kind of see me doing something with my arms and my body. It lends itself to doing it this sort of thing, like a little bit of a twist. So feel free, when you flap with your right, bring your hands to the right, and then your body kind of twists to the left, and then do brush step, and you're back to home position. Try it again, and one, and two. Trying it to the left, you're going to flap with the left, pivot that right foot up, and then you're going to brush step with that right foot as well. Let's try it a little bit faster. A 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the Bombershay can go right and left, but you could also even turn it if you want to be a little bit more adventurous. You don't even have to spot with your head. So you're not going to get dizzy. It just adds a little bit of flair to your Bombershay. So let's try that. Let's just jump right into it. Going to the right, flapping with the right. A 5, a 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. A 5, 6, a 5, 6, 7, 8. Going left, a 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you know when I post the next tutorial.